Hey, once again, welcome to CookingaRound's channel. Welcome. It's nice to see you guys again. What do I have for you today? A classic tuna noodle casserole. Now, I like this because, because of the fish, the tuna is very nutritious. And you guess what? I can take it to work, warm it up, and it's ready to go. Just look at this. Absolutely delicious. And it's blended in with this cream sauce. But I don't use real cream. You're going to see when I put this all together, and you should try it, and then when you taste it, I want you to give me back the comments how much you enjoyed it. Now let's start with a small pot, and let's add about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I like to use things unsalted when I use ingredients because I like to control the amount of salt. Now let's add about half a cup of finely diced yellow or white onion. About half a teaspoon of kosher salt. You can add a little bit more if you would like. And now with the temperature on medium and the onions have sweated a little bit, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. But I want you to add a little bit at a time. Start stirring it, add a little bit more. Then stir some more, add a little bit more, and it's going to thicken up, and that's exactly what we want when it turns into a roux. And now we're going to add 3 cups of cold milk. Yes, I want it cold, and don't worry about it, just keep on stirring. The flour mixture is going to dissolve. Keep it a little bit more, keep on stirring, and when it becomes thick, after a few minutes just like this, we know that we are ready to proceed here. Now let's add about 3/4 of a cup of shredded white cheddar, and let's blend it in until it's melted. And guess what? Here we go. Now let's get about 1 package or 10 ounces of dry egg noodles or whatever you would like, and I'd like you to boil them about 2 minutes undercooked. Now add 2 cans of packed tuna in oil or in water, and you can use chunky or solid. Now I'm adding about half a teaspoon of white pepper and a pinch of cayenne pepper, followed by half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and about 3/4 of a cup of peas, of course rinsed and drained. And now let's stir this up. Now grab your cheesy white mixture, pour it right inside the bowl just like this, and now I just want you to stir it very gently and just fold it in, and I shall be back. Grab a reasonably large dish, oven proof of course, and I want you to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I want you to spread it around, and I want you to coat the corners and all the inner parts of the dish. Now here comes the easy part. Just grab your pasta mixture and just drop it in just like this. Now take about half a cup of plain breadcrumbs and let's just kind of spread it all over the place as evenly as possible. And don't worry if you miss a spot or two. Okay, here comes my favorite to top it off. About half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. If you don't want this type of cheese, use something else. Use whatever makes you happy. Okay, keep it uncovered and put it into a preheated oven, say about 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. But towards the end, I like you to check on it. Okay, here we go. I'm back. Let's take a look at it. Oh, that looks really great. Now if you want, you can have the top a little bit more brownish. For me, I like it like this. Now, are we finished yet? No. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some parsley. If you don't want to add parsley, you can add chives or even add more cheese. That depends on you. So now let it sit for about 10 minutes before you cut it, and I have to tell you that we came to the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video, and all I want to say once again is thank you very much from Tony and Cooking Around.